Hello, I'm Tim Pennington, editor of Product Finishing Magazine, and here's a look at our upcoming April issue. We unveil the 2019 Top Shops Benchmarking Survey for electroplating shops, as well as the other top 50 shops in North America. The North America plating and anodizing industry saw some improvements in areas such as order lead time and first pass quality yield in this year's Products Finishing Top Shops Benchmarking Survey. Meanwhile, a few of the other categories saw decreases in efficiencies from a year ago. Read all about the top shops in North America in this month's issue. We also highlight American Metal Coatings, which tops out as the #1 electroplating operation in the Products Finishing Top Shops Benchmarking Survey. The Mentor, Ohio shop relocated its headquarters and most of its production in 2017 from the east side of Cleveland to a sprawling 120,000 square feet facility that replaced an operation less than half that size. We also feature Vermeer Industries, which thanks to dedicated suppliers was able to rebuild its coating lines after an EF3 tornado. On the afternoon of July 19, 2018, a storm ripped through Vermeer's Pella, Iowa facility and damaged several of its buildings where they manufacture and finish high-quality construction, surface mining, and agricultural equipment. But with suppliers' help, they reopened 6 months later. We also look at Burkard Industries, which was the Products Finishing Top Shop in 2018 for liquid and powder coating, and how it uses a management book to help them improve operations. 3 years ago, Burkard installed a new management system based on a business book, Traction, by Gino Wickman. It touts the use of an entrepreneurial operations system for companies to achieve success. The result has been tremendous for the Michigan coder. My Finishing Touch column this month is how a competitive nature drives many of the Products Finishing Top Shops Benchmarking Survey participants who want to be considered in the elite 80th percentile. There were hundreds of electroplating shops taking part in this year's Top Shop survey. As we announce the results and the customized reports on how your shop fared are now in the mail, I know that many survey participants want to be considered a top shop, one of those in the elite 80th percentile of overall results. In Matthew Kirkner's Never Finish column, he says that those who push the limits on travel expenses risk having your employer implement a policy. Kirkner says keep in mind that every dollar spent on excess travel cost is a dollar the employer can't spend on pursuing its mission, advertising, marketing, research and development, and all the other important activities in which a company can invest. Michael Gukas, with Gardner Intelligence, reports that the Finishing Index reported a modest February expansion. Michael says the Finishing Index logged its 26th consecutive month of growth, with a February reading of 50.9. The index has reported slow growth over the last year as the index has fallen from an all-time high in March 2018. Remember, you can read all of these stories at pfonline.com, and you can also sign up for our weekly newsletter that will bring you all the latest finishing news and information to your inbox each week. I'm Tim Pennington with Products Finishing Magazine, and thanks for watching.